Jail back. So, all right, so hold on, I'm just waiting for the jail to come back. All right, we are back with Miss Ladd. Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed with Miss Ladd?
Your Honor, could we set this for either, late this week or early next week, just to give us some time for to see what develops with Miss Ladd, and also for her to feel a little better.
Okay, so it can't be this week. Okay, it's not going to be this week. Ms. Ladd, you might have new charges, and so it's important that Ms. Underwood know that or not before we proceed. Ms. Underwood, I can't do next Wednesday. Ms. Adams, can we set this for May 13, May 15, May 16, or any of those? Do we have time to do this?
I would say
Oh.
8:30, May 15th.
All right, so Ms. Underwood, I will set this over to May 15 at 8:30 in the morning. And Ms. Ladd, I'll enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf. And we'll see you back on that day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Ms. Ladd, let them know I'm ready for Ms. Hall. Thank you.
I'll get Ms. Hall right away, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
It was May 15th, correct?
Yeah, my next Wednesday is a nightmare, so it's the day after.
Okay, thank you.
Ms. Angela, would like to see your presence this morning.
All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Angelina Ann Hall, file number 25-22152FH. Ms. Hall, we are here today on a failure to appear for a pretrial conference. Your attorney on the underlying file, who is your attorney, Ms. Hall?
I think he was a new guy. Tall, skinny, kind of nerd. I mean, I don't want to say that, but Rat or something?
Matt Murphy?
Okay.
No, Racket.
Oh, Mr. Racket. Okay. So, Ms. Hall, failure to appear for a pretrial can carry a contempt of court sentence of up to 93 days in jail, but could result in the state of Michigan charging you with an absconding, which is a 4-year felony. I don't know that they have or not. So, Ms. Hall, you do have a right to have an attorney to speak with today. And the failure to appear was April 9th of 25. Would you like an attorney to speak with today?
I would, please.
All right. So, Ms. Underwood, and Mr. Raquette is her attorney. So, I don't know if he's available, but I'm going to go ahead and open that breakout room.
He had his first jury trial yesterday.
Oh, he did in district court?
Yeah, he won.
He won his first jury trial? That's good.
That was on one of the new prosecutors of his first jury trial too.
That's cool.
Yeah.
That is good.
So is this the only one left?
This is the only one left, and it's not even a VOP or anything. It's just a failure to appear for pretrial. So I assume it's, let's see. It looks like she's got bench warrants downstairs in district court too.
Oh,
So, but nothing, I don't see new charges, but that doesn't mean anything.
okay.
So we'll probably set it for next Wednesday. Unfortunately, next Wednesday is gonna be a nightmare. But I'll probably set it over to May 14 for pretrial.
Okay, so I'm probably done then, right?
Yeah,
Or do you want me, or do
unless you
you need
want
me
to
to
stay and
stay?
hang out.
You need me to stay. All right, it's probably not gonna affect probation right now.
Okay, thanks,
All
bye.
right, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Are you Keith Hamilton?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello?
All right, let me close the breakout room. Miss Adams, could you see if Miss McGrain could step in the courtroom, please? All right, let's get the jail back. All right, Miss Underwood, we're back with Miss Hall. How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, this is actually my case.
Okay.
The resisting and obstructing.
All right, hold on one second, Miss Underwood. Hold on.
You came to the real room. I am gonna take I-2, taking the channel.
Okay, all right, so Miss Underwood, how would you like to proceed with Miss Hall?
Well, there was a plea bargain in the file, Your Honor. As charged, no subs, no further jail at upfront.
You're gonna plead her today? Because
here.
if you are, I'm gonna need a prosecutor.
Right. So I don't see a prosecutor here. I would
Right,
ask
because
if we
this-
could put this out to the first available time. Absolutely, the first available.
I can do next Wednesday.
You can do next Wednesday. Thank you. And I'd
Yes,
like
I can.
to be heard on the issue of bond.
All right, I'm gonna set this out to a pretrial for May. I mean, do you want me to get a prosecutor here?
I-
Is all right, never mind. I'm gonna do a pretrial for May 14 at 8:30 in the morning. All right, and Miss Underwood, you said you wanted to address bond?
Yes, Your Honor. This was a case where there was a waiver of circuit court arraignment, and it was set for a pretrial. Ms. Hall was going through some stuff. She didn't show up, Your Honor. She wants to get.
I was in a DV. I was in a domestic violence situation. I was taken on a high-speed chase. I was
Hey,
into
Miss
a car
Hall,
accident.
Miss Hall, stop
Sorry.
talking.
Sorry, Miss.
Thank you.
Sorry, Miss.
Miss Underwood, do you understand she has multiple contempt of courts and bench warrants in district court as
I'll
well?
do it. Tether,
Miss Hall, all
whatever.
right, so Miss Underwood, I have some concerns that Miss Hall might be under the influence of something. She seems unable to restrain herself. But, Miss Underwood, she does have some bench warrants from district court as well.
Then let's
Yes.
leave it set for Wednesday, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm gonna set this over to May 14 at 8:30 in the morning, and I'll see you back on that day, Miss Hall. Thank you.
Thank you.
So can you check and see if do I have a bond right now?
I can check, yeah.
All right, Miss Underwood, I do believe that concludes our morning docket. There might be a chance I might need you at 11:30, but I will let you know if I do, okay?
Okay, I apologize for how long it took this morning, Your Honor.
Oh, it's okay, Miss Underwood. I know you're running back and forth. I never get upset about that. You're fine, Miss Underwood. Thank you.
I apologize to my MDOCs, because neither one of them deserved it.
No, I
Thank you.
explained to them that you go back and forth. They were fine. Thank you. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Okay. Sir, your hearing's at 11:30.